xiphemu xa vutshavelo xa gondzo ra N3 na Bloemfontein hi xona leswi nga tekiwa tanihi leswi nga na timhangu ta le henhla swinene, kasi xiphemu xa Harrismith eka gondzo ra N3 na xona xi vikiwa ku va xi ri na timhangu ta le henhla. Mbalula vula leswaku ku ta pfuxeleriwa swiporo laha tikweni ku antswisa swiphiqo leswi.
Developing a rail policy strategy for the country, and it should have gone before cabinet, but it will be going to cabinet in the early season, in the new year. And rail infrastructure is very important from a point of view of business, but also from a point of view of commuter. And we have to work with the Transnet.
Loko ayisa mahlweni holobye u vule leswaku ku vile na ku ya ehansi eka timhangu ta le magondweni hi 22% loko pimanyisiwa na lembe leri nga hundza hi nkarhi lowu fanaka. Van'wamabindzu eka xiyenge xa swa vutleketli va khensile swinene pfhumba leri.
It's one launch that we have been waiting for many years. That as a taxi industry we've been calling for one united police services, or one united traffic police services in this country, where you find your traffic officer in KwaZulu-Natal or even in Northwest or in the Northern Cape possesses of the same information and qualification. We have been saying that you cannot have a situation where you ask for certain documents in one province and the very same documents are changing in another province. So we want the law enforcement to be one.
One of the first things we need to do to bring down the deaths is to get speeds lower. 30 kilometers outside all schools and high pedestrian areas, and more enforcement and more testing for drunk driving. So this plan is written out very well, and we are very thrilled that we'll work with the Department of Transport and road traffic, because these are evidence-based approaches that really work.
Loko pfhumba ra vuhlayiseki bya le magondzweni ri karhi ku ya emahlweni, maphorisa va ri va ta tshama va vambe ngoma eka magondzo hinkwawo ya tiko.